Hello guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, there's two PCs in front of me, and I'll be doing a bit of swapping and upgrading today. I'll be upgrading the CPU on this PC and on this PC over here. I'll be putting in a dedicated graphics card and also upgrading the CPU. I'll be swapping the CPU from this PC into this one, and I'll be doing it all with my son. What are you doing?
Looking at your computer.
If you haven't watched our last video, go check it out where me and my son, we put together this PC from scratch. Ooh wee! Let's get started. Open it.
Yeah.
Got muscles.
I don't know how to open it.
Where's your muscles?
I can.
Go on, rip it open. Rip it open. Yay! Get it open. There we go. Okay, excellent. AMD, yeah. AMD, and that's a brand. AMD, and this is the Ryzen 7 1700. I got this used for £90, which is very good. I hope it all works, which I'm going to be testing to see if everything's okay. So I'm going to put that to the side, and that is, what is that? Remember? What is that? This is, do you remember last time when we made the other build and I taught you about having an APU? This is called a CPU. Yeah, this is called a CPU.
Why is that staring at it?
It's called a CPU. Say it.
CPU.
Give me a word that begins with C.
Cow.
Cow.
Yeah.
What noise does a cow make?
Moo, 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 moo.
Moo.
Let's start with the letter called A.
Also, wait. So we have C. So C stands for cow. P. Give me a word that begins with P.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah. Peppa Pig. And what noise does Peppa Pig make? What noise does a pig make?
Oink, oink.
So that's C, P. And give me a word that begins with U.
Octopus.
No, that's O. U.
Umbrella.
Good boy, high five. So whenever I show you one of these, that's what I want you to think of. Cow, Peppa Pig, umbrella. CPU. Cow, Peppa Pig, umbrella. CPU. So what is this called?
CPU.
Yes. Cow, Peppa Pig, umbrella. CPU. There we go. You're gonna need your muscles for this. Your muscles. It's coming up. It's coming up. Help. You gonna help? Ah!
I'm doing it.
Whoa.
That's cool.
This is called a GPU.
CPU.
We're not gonna open it just yet. So I'm gonna do a test. What is this called?
Now, A CPU.
High five! cow, Peppa Pig, umbrella. And now I'm going to be teaching you what this is called and giving you a method so that you can remember it, okay? This is called a GPU. So this is called that little chip is called a CPU, and this is called a GPU. Not the box. This is the GPU is inside of the box, okay?
Okay.
So GPU, CPU, GPU, CPU. So I'm gonna give you a method to learn this now. So give me a word that begins with G.
Go Thomas.
Go Thomas.
Yeah.
That's not a word.
Yeah.
No, I want one word. Just one word that begins with G.
Jugger.
Hmm?
Jugger.
No. G. One word.
Go.
Go. So go. Go. And give me a word that begins with P.
Pup.
Pop.
No, pop.
Pop.
Poo poo.
No. Lion. What? Really? Really, Zion? High five. Well, I did that for a word. Go poo poo. Lie, really? And give me a word that begins with you. You.
Umbrella.
Go poo poo umbrella. What is the word coming to there? Go poo poo umbrella. Wow. So now I'm gonna do a quick test now, Zion. Now that you've had a bit of a laugh, what is this called?
CPU.
CPU. Cow, Peppa Pig, umbrella.
Peppa Pig.
Yes. And what is this called?
GPU.
GPU.
Yeah.
Go poo poo umbrella. Right, yes. That's the word that you came up with, that you said. Okay? Yeah. Now that we've unboxed these two items, we're gonna get on with the swapping of components within the two PCs. So I'm gonna put the two PCs laid flat beside each other on this table, and we're just gonna get to work. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is replacing the CPU in this computer with the CPU which has just recently come in the post, the Ryzen 7 1700. First we need to unscrew the fan. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Unscrew here.
Okay. That way?
Yeah, very good. And unscrew here. I'm gonna let you do it now. No, other way, other way. Other way. There we go. That's excellent. Now this should just come straight off. There we go. There we have the fan. We took off the fan. Now I'm just gonna take off the CPU. Take out the CPU, which is the Ryzen 2 600X. There we go. So I'm going to put this to the side, out of the way, safely, so that it can't be damaged. Okay, so now we're going to open this CPU, and we're going to put it in there. So I just want you to open the box, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to move it to the side so you can open the box.
Okay.
Remember, you have to be very careful.
Do that.
Oh, give it to me. Okay. Here we have the new fan, which will be going into this PC after we put the CPU in first. What is this called?
APU.
APU? No.
No.
Close. Cow.
Cow.
Peppa Pig.
Perfect.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
What is this called? CPU. There you go. High five. So you've got it. You actually was close actually.
No, very close.
The one in here is called an APU. So when we take this off, you'll see that it's an APU. It's very. I wouldn't expect you to know the difference at this age, all day. But I'll teach you as we go on.
Delicate. It's very delicate.
Oh, yes, these are very, very delicate. Okay.
No.
You see?
Don't.
As you see, it's got these pins on the bottom. See the pins? These pins are very delicate, so we can't touch them.
Because you'll bleed my body.
No, well, it might be sharp enough to penetrate your skin, but ultimately this will get damaged, so we won't be able to use it. It will be useless. Okay?
Okay.
So that's why we do not touch these pins, and we're just very careful with it. Okay?
Okay.
Do you want to hold it?
No, thank you.
Come on, hold it. Make sure you don't drop it, okay? We'll put your hand out like that. There you go.
Oh, I couldn't do it.
There you go. So what is this called? What are you holding? What's in your hand?
Is a CPU.
Good boy, Zion.
Yeah.
High five. That's excellent. So what I'm going to do now is put this in the computer. So I'm going to move this box out of the way, put this back in the camera so everyone can see. So I have to be very careful. Okay. And it fits nicely. It slots nicely in there.
Then close it.
Yeah, you can close it. No, so you have to pull it around. There you go. You okay?
Yeah.
Excellent. High five. Now, what's this?
I don't know.
Thermal paste.
Thermal paste. I want to do it.
This is thermal compound. So, look at Daddy. Watch Daddy. I'm just gonna put a little dash on. Not too much. There we go. Oh, so that's a little dash.
Oh, that's why you just did it wrong.
Yeah, there you go. And one here.
Huh?
There we go. You don't want it too tight. Put it there, Di. Di, come on. Last one. Yeah. There we go. That's nice and secure. You see? It's nice and secure.
It's tight.
Okay, so now we're gonna lift this back up. This one's complete. We've done all what we need to do for this one. So we're gonna put this one to the side now. One upgrade complete. Yeah.
We're gonna do that one.
Yeah, we're moving on to this one now.
That.
Now this one goes there. Okay. So we're taking out the APU and we're swapping it with a CPU. Okay?
Okay. Can I do?
Oh, I need you to unscrew.
Abe got beef.
I'm gonna take off this CPU.
Want to open it?
Or this APU.
No.
No, wait there. So we're taking off the APU.
Yeah.
That's gone over here. We're replacing it with this one.
I want to do it.
You wanna put it in?
Yeah. I will be.
You have to be very careful, okay?
Okay.
Are you sure you wanna do it? You sure?
Yeah.
There you go. Underneath. There you go. Excellent. High five. You did it all by yourself? You actually did it, Zai. You put a CPU in a computer. There we go. There we go. That's a little dash. Okay, so we've added the fan, and now that's all nice and secure.
Now we're gonna add that.
So we're just gonna make a bit of space on the table. Goes over there.
That goes over there. Whoa.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one last test now before we move on. Okay.
Okay.
What is this?
It's a GPU.
What? Louder.
GPU.
High five. Well done. What is this?
It's a CPU.
Louder.
CPU.
High five. Correct. What is this? This is a bit trickier.
That's it.
What?
APU.
Say it louder.
APU.
High five. APU. You got it all right. What is this?
Fan.
What is this?
I don't know.
R A M.
RAM.
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 What is this?
I don't know.
Pufferfish, snake, ukulele.
Ukulele.
PSU.
PSU.
So we're gonna. You got two wrong. But that you done really good. I'm actually happy.
Have forgotten one more.
What?
But
Oh, what is it?
motherboard.
Why am I so happy? Why am I actually so happy?
Open it.
Right, you're smart, you know.
That.
I'm gonna move this to the side, a bit this way. I want you to open. I'm gonna move this back. The
Back?
GPU.
The GPU. That's.
There you go. Now lift up that, take it out. Don't rip it.
Huh? How do you open it?
Okay, fine. So lift it up. There we have it. We have got there. We've got, there we go. There we have the GPU. That comes off. That comes off. Pull that one off. There you go. Oh! Pull off this last one before you go get that.
Yeah.
You can do it.
Oh, I couldn't do it.
There you go. Put that in the box. Okay, now we're gonna insert this. So look, I want you to look. This goes
There.
there. You see?
No. No.
Down. Right there. There you go. It's in. Now I want you to screw. You have to screw it in at the side now.
There.
So I have to screw in my pocket.
That way?
Yeah. So screw this in. There we go. Excellent. That's done. Now we're gonna screw in the mount also to keep the GPU mounted and secure so that it's not loose. Okay? I just screw that in.
That way?
Yeah. Good boy. There we go.
Okay. You're done.
There we have it, guys. We're all done. Components changed, upgraded, swapped, you name it, we've done it. So Zai, I want to say well done for today, okay?
Well done for today.
I'm very pleased.
I'm very pleased today.
Come now, come here. Give me a hug. I'm actually really pleased today. High five. Say. Yeah, man. So Zion knows what a CPU, GPU, APU, motherboard. So I want you to point to the GPU.
Where?
I want you to point to it. Yeah, good boy. I want you to point to the fan. Yeah, good boy. I want you to point to the RAM.
Where?
I want you to point to it. Look for it. Where is it on there?
Where?
Good boy. I want you to point to
The motherboard.
the motherboard. Excellent. Doing good. Hello, Sinai. Hey! You happy? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hand. Bye! Testing. Breath after a while. Oh no, there's a ball! Oh no,
got a volcano bear.
Where?
Bear, I just started it. It will lower that girl. Look, that yellow long bear.
Uh-oh.
Did you say?
No. I shouldn't have did that now.
That volcano, I just showed it. That's a volcano.
There's no steer. Right.
No.
There you go. There you go, you're getting the hang of it. No! Oh no! Die! Hey, what?
But I want to do Sonic.
Come play after. Play Loco Roco.
new suit.
Nice. A bit itchy, but I've had worse.
How are you breathing?
Breathing easy. This rebreather is amazing. Feels like I'm freediving.
A genuine compliment. Should have caught that on the live stream.
Give me a few minutes. I want it to be amazing, and I'm still getting used to this AR visor. Looks like we've got our first singer.
Fantastic. Hopefully on your next dive you can record his song to compare with other humpbacks in the area.
Fun fact, in addition to being an engineering whiz, Andre is quite the musician. Are you still writing music?
Not for years.
Dry spell?
More like raising teenagers.
It's back. Dr. Cortex, we haven't determined the cause of past failures.
Moron! This bandicoot will be my general. He will lead my Cortex commandos to world domination. This time, I shall reign triumphant. We are closer than ever before. Quickly, into the vortex.
Dr. Cortex, the vortex is not ready. We have no idea what it could do.
Failure again. Capture him!
Uh-oh.
Prepare the female bandicoot.
That's a good boy. Children, come with me. She's an outcast, to be shunned. There. Oh, come on. There.
Be still. Wait for it to pass. Now keep low and follow me across the trail to that tall grass. Oh, another one. Let it pass. Come, back this way. The slower you move, the quieter you'll be. And crouched walking is quieter than upright.